Welcome to 0x Unstuck. Today's challenge, to sum, the most asked interview question in how to go from ON squared to ON in Rust. To sum, given an array, find the two numbers that add up to a target. The obvious solution checks every pair, and on a big array, it crawls. Here's the one-pass trick that makes it instant. If you're prepping for interviews, like really helps. Let's code it in Rust. Brute force checks every pair, so the work grows with n times n. The trick? As you scan the array, remember every number you've seen in a hash map and just look up the complement, target minus the current number, in constant time. Here's the brute force in Rust. Nested loops over every pair, clean correction, and ON squared. Run it on 50,000 elements, worst case, and it takes over half a second. That's the n squared tax. Every element is compared with every other one. Double the input and you quadruple the work. At 50,000 elements, that's over 1 billion comparisons. Now the fix. A hash map. For each number, check if its complement is already in the map. If it is, we're done. If not, store the number and move on. One single pass. Same 50,000 elements for 2 milliseconds. Same answer 200 times faster. We went from ON squared to ON. The hash map costs a little memory, but it turns 1 billion operations into 50,000. One classic bug: if you insert the number before checking for its complement, a value can match itself. Always check first, then insert. So, recap: scan the array once, store what you've seen, and look up the complement. That's to sum in ON. Quick one: if this helped you, the wallet's on screen, and there's a Ko-fi link in the description. Every tip funds the next one. The full Rust code is in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. A new coding challenge every day. See you in the next one.